In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are every types of people here in our society as well as in each and every society. There are every types of people. There are enough number of people who are found extracting the bad out of the good. You are trying to do something good. Someone else is trying to do something good. But this category of the people who are bent upon getting the bad even out of the good, there are enough number of people. You are trying to do something good, someone else is trying to do something good, but they will be found blaming you, blaming others, that these people are not sincere. They are just making the show off. They are not sincere. They are just making the show off. Or there is another very common comment, and that is that he, she have done that bad, that bad, this bad. He has done so many of the bad things. He does have so many of the bad qualities, bad character, bad habits, even today. So hence there is no use of doing this good, etc., etc., etc. There are enough number of ways. There are enough number of ways to get the bad out of the good, to extract the bad out of the good. There are enough number of ways to do that. These people are really very unlucky, very unfortunate people. These people are very unlucky. These people are very unfortunate. These people are going to become an absolute failure. Failure mean, as for the peace of mind is concerned, as for the contentment is concerned, as for the satisfaction is concerned, as for the sense of achievement is concerned, as for the relationship with our creator is concerned, as for our conscience is concerned, these people are actually the ultimate losers. Now leave them aside. Now there are people who are found extracting the good even out of the bad. There are people who are found extracting the good even out of the bad. These people are really great people. These people are the jewels of the society. These people are the diamonds of the society. We should salute them. We should kiss their hands. We should respect them. We should love them. We should cherish them. We should learn from those people. And today we are going to talk about something else. Today we are going to talk about something which is bad, which is in nature bad. But despite being bad in nature, there are people who are getting the good out of it. Despite being bad in the nature, there are people who are trying to get the good out of it. And these people are the really, really, really successful people, cherishable people, lovable people, must be appreciated, must be chosen as a leader, as a role model. We must learn from those people. So the bad activity is that we are found judging other people's. Quite usually, we are found judging other people. Mean finding faults in the people. Finding faults in the people. This is an absolutely unwarranted habit. Absolutely nonsense. Absolutely stupid. Absolutely harmful. And to the surprise of the many people who are listening to me, overwhelming majority of the people living here in our society do indulge in it. I repeat my sentences, overwhelming majority of the people here in our society do indulge in it. We are found judging other people, the general people, the friends, the relatives, the acquaintances, the people we are interacting with, our relatives. We are found judging other people, finding faults in the people, finding faults in the people. Why we do that, by the way? Why we do that, by the way? Maybe because we want ourselves to feel above them. So instead of doing something else good, which is good in nature, instead of trying to adopt the very good qualities, the very good habits, we are found working in, because this needs hard work, needs effort, because this need lot of striving and struggle. So hence we are not doing it. We are trying to find faults in the people so that we could feel above them, so that we could think that they are inferior to me and I am superior to them. Absolutely rubbish, absolutely nonsense. So we nobody allows us actually this thing. Rather, there are people who are found, attributing the bad things to other people which they don't carry, which they don't possess, which they don't own, which they don't have. That is absolutely a sort of pathetic situation, miserable situation, a sort of crime. Now there are people who are trying to exaggerate the faults, the bad qualities of the other people. That is absolutely wrong as well. Cannot be condoned at all, cannot be overlooked. Now there are people who are telling the bad qualities of other people, the bad habits of the other people, the demerits of the other people, the dishonesties of the other people, but not trying to exaggerate. This too, even this thing, which is relatively milder form of judging other people, which is the relatively milder form of finding faults in the people, but it should be used sparingly. Using it sparingly mean telling the others where it is needed, otherwise no need to tell it. If you know the bad habits, the bad qualities, the demerits, the dishonesties of someone else, I think telling it, passing it on, keep passing it on to other people unnecessarily, that is also nonsense. But do tell other people when they need it. If somebody comes to me, if somebody comes to you and asks us that I want to go into the partnership with that particular person, or I want to have establish a kind of relationship with that person, the business or the personal relationship with that person, so I need your advice, and I want to avail you the information you are carrying about that person. Here I think that we do need to pass it on in a precise manner, without any sort of exaggeration in it at all. Otherwise, it is far better to keep silent. Now, there is another thing which was the very basic reason behind our today's talk, and that is that if at all we are we come to know about a bad quality, a bad habit, a demerit of someone else, first of all we should look upon ourselves whether I'm carrying this fault or bad habit in me or not. We need to know this thing. But if there is one, if I am having more or less that bad quality in myself, I should do my utmost. I should do whatever I can to remove it from my character, to get rid of it. I should do my utmost to do that. And if at all I don't have it, then I should be thankful and grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that I am free of this disease, I am free of this trouble, free of this dirt, filth. Now, the next is that I should think that how can I help that person without hurting his or her ego, without hurting their ego, without hurting, damaging their respect. How can I help them? If there is a way to do that, I should be ready for it, without hurting their ego, without hurting their respect. But if I don't have I don't know the way to do that, then I should remain at least silent, passing it on to other people only and only when the other people need it genuinely, and that too in a precise manner, neither exaggerating it nor diminishing it. This is how what we can do. How should we act upon these things? Thank you very much. Jazakallah.